Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and I hope you guys can see there's not much light today. There's no sun outside, so I have all the lights on. I hope you guys can see. So I made two folios, two nature folios or folders, and I want to share with you. Let me share the first one that I made. So I started to make this a few months ago, then I stopped it, I put it aside, and I was finishing other things that I started, and now I decided to finish. So this is the first one, and on the front there's a pocket here with a large journaling card. Oh, I love this card with the tie-dye mark in the back. So then you open, and there is another pocket here, and all the tags or journaling cards, they all have tie-dye paper on the back. So I use it a lot of vintage books, the images to make this folio. This is a pretty little one, and I used some vintage laces, a little bit of fabric, scrapbook paper, fabric washi tape. So here inside there is a vellum pocket with a few cutouts, and here it's a flip and another pocket with another card. Then you open in the back. It's a beautiful page from Bird book, and you open. There is a little tag in here, and a large journaling card here. So pretty. I made collages using pieces from this book that I love it, and this is the first one, and you close it. So this is one of them, and there's a ribbon, a hand-torn fabric ribbon that I made. And now the other one. The other one, it looks thicker. I think it's because of the notebook that has inside. So this is the first page. Again, I started this a few months ago, and I think I have a little movie of this, the first page, in my Instagram account, but I didn't finish, and then I put it aside and decided to finish right now. So then there's a little tab here you open. There is this tag, and this little one here. And this is a tie-dye paper I made with, I think it's blueberry, some kind of berry herbal tea. And there are laces. And here is another tag. And this one, I hand stitched it. First I tried to use my sewing machine, and I didn't like the results, so I had to undo everything and do it again. And I thought I didn't like the finish, so I used fabric, and I bind myself with hand stitches. So the bow, you can remove it if you want, and it's very secure. I put a little bit of glue here, and if you want to remove and have just the knot. So then you open this part, then you open again. There's a place for you to write here, and there is a large tag here, and another one here, and here it's a pocket lace I made, and I made a little notebook, and I left blank, I left plain, so you can decorate, you can do whatever you want. You can use it in another journal or in another folder, and if you want to use here, you can decorate the way you want. So there are I think 16 pages of tea dye, or they are darker, and you can use it. They come in this beautiful lace pocket that I made, and here is a little glassine bag, and I made a little tag for it, and another flip. It's a window envelope with a large journaling card, and you flip it again, and there's two more flips here, 1 and 2, and they are I made with envelopes, and you can write in the back. So there are 2 journaling cards. This is the first one, and there is another one here. And in the back I made a vellum pocket, and there are some more cut-out pieces for you. You can use it in the notebook if you want. And this is the other one. So those are my folders, or my folios, and I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Bye.